Do you know what I have not done? I have not gotten my multi-chat up and ready. I should maybe do that. Ah, but we're back. We're back. We're ready for action and we're back. I'm excited. Blub. Am I excited? Okay. Have we decided that we're working now? Are things up and running? Hey Michael, how's it going? You know what? I can't complain. I feel like I can breathe again today. So we are winning. Yep, we're winning. How are you doing, Michael? How's the trading going? Okay. Now that everything is sorted. Oh, it didn't reach there. Wow, I really thought it would come get this gap. Shoot. Awesome. Okay. This is a huge freaking NWOG. Not the first time I've seen this massive NWOG though. Happened previously. It did come back down to get it eventually. I think it happened like 4 days later. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's see what comes of this. Anyways, Michael. Yeah. Spot it? What? Just push. What up? How's it going? Maria? News? Are you asking if there's news? I don't think there's news. I'm not actually sure. Michael, I'm from South Africa. Where are you from? How's it been going? No, wait, let me adjust this. Next, left, center. Why are you doing that? Don't. No, I should make it to the right. Okay. Okay, let's mark out things. Let's start one thing at a time. Let's get this going. There's the Asia low. Swing low. Relatively equal lows. Hey yo, okay. Took out that high. We now have a new high. Cool. I can't spell or do anything today, so you guys are just gonna have to bear with me. I'm sorry. Michael, are you from India? That's cool. Ah, thanks, Just Push. I've heard it is awesome a few times. Purely, I think, just because of the fact that it's, well, catchy, number one, and it's relaxing. Which is weird in this industry, to have relaxing stuff. Am I a prototype? What? You think I'm AI? No. I don't know, how do you prove that you're not AI? Say I'm not a, I don't know. I'm not a robot. I don't know how to prove I'm not AI. Laposta, what up? How's it going? Chicken stars. What? Hey, Boom. How's it going? How are you doing? How was your weekend? And the trader, what up? How are you doing? Chris, thank you. You're very sweet. And David. How was everyone's weekend, by the way? Did you guys get to chill? You see, I can breathe again. I can breathe again. It's weird. It's weird. But I can breathe again, so I'm happy. Ah, David, you coming here lying. Mahad's, sorry, I can't speak Hindi. Sorry about that. No, you kept busy. That's good though, right? Pack animals? Well, I'm not Afrikaans, if that's what you're asking, but anyways. Za, was it like nice? Amazing. Do anything cool? Did you just relax? Relaxing's good. Relaxing, very good. And Prish, well, there we go. Relaxing. Relaxing is the way to go. David, not so much for the 2 €. David, that's valid. That's valid. To be fair, I didn't do much either. I actually chilled quite a bit. I lie. I got a Halloween costume. Because unfortunately in a small town there's a lot of things and a lot of people and a lot of friends that want you to go and do things, and they were like, you have to do Halloween. And I was like, okay, I guess I'm doing Halloween this year then. I don't normally do Halloween, but apparently we're doing this thing this year, so here we go. Okay, let's zoom in slightly now. This is not looking promising so far. Thoughts for today, guys? Solly, what's up? How you doing, Solly? How's it going? Note, Chris, you need more relaxing time. I hear that. I hear that. I am all for 3-day weekends, 4-day work weeks. I think that'd be amazing. You know, you need 1 day of the weekend to clean, 1 day to go out and do things, and 1 day to do absolutely nothing. That's 3 days. Anyway. Out there, David, fair. Chris, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What do you trade? Okay, what up? How's it going? Oh, nice, Prish. That's amazing. Oh, Rohan, that's very sweet. Thank you. Prish, you predict chop. That's not great. I mean, we're at all-time highs as well, which does not help. But it's fine. Hey, my life, how you doing? What do you think? A little bit better, right? I know you got used to the front one, but I prefer this. Yeah, does this not just feel better? I think it feels better. High life. On that note, guys, let's grow this amazing community of amazing traders that want to support one another. So please don't forget to press that like button. Yeah, thanks. Bunny Trades, what up? No, Chris. Oh, you're not trading anything. Thought about trading in Forex. Only thought about it? What's happening? You just don't want to trade? Have you traded before? What? Tell me, Chris. Tell me your secrets. Oh, Zah, I'm jealous. I am so jealous. I managed to get to the beach on Saturday, so that was nice. Except I think I went at the wrong time. The waves were hectic. Lack of a better word. The waves were just absolutely hectic. I may have nearly drowned like 5 times, but we're here. Mohammed, you think it's long on Bitcoin? Okay. Trading is demonic. Anyways, moving on. Cheers, Prish. Enjoy. Good luck with the errands. Bunny, my charts look so clean. Don't I use any indicators? I do. I use my eyes as indicators. So if there's too much going on, I don't like it when there's too much going on. Basically, I think a clean thing stops me overthinking everything. Because I do have a tendency of doing that. I have a tendency of overthinking everything. So too many indicators make me overthink too much, and then I end up not taking trades. So cleaner the better. No, Chris, you've traded in crypto. Okay, and how was it? Alec, what's this? This is trading on the Nasdaq futures. And they are the hardy guys. They are so flipping noisy. If you are South African, you know exactly what I'm talking about. They're so annoying. Anthony the drummer, what up? How's it going? Need the other screen, but hi. Looking down to read comments, placing how I'll make. I have a plan. Do I have a plan? I do have a plan. I have a plan, High Life. This might be chaotic for a second. Let's see. There we go. High Life. There we go. How's this, High Life? Now I can read there and up there. Awesome. Okay, now it's back to normal. This is how I normally had my setup. I just forgot how everything had changed. So now this is, if I read here, I look up there. So much nicer. You're in the UK. Good night from Canada. Mohammed, no, I'm not. I'm not in the UK. I'm in South Africa. So it is literally, what time exactly? 9:13 a.m. in the morning here in South Africa. Have I made good profit? Not yet. So Chris, I'm still new. So I've only been trading since April. It took me quite a while to find a strategy that I enjoyed. And now I'm just working on the mental side of trading. It's really difficult. So yeah. And working on consistency and just being better with regards to my setups and taking the trades that are A+, you know, all those very fun, annoying mental things that come with trading. Like today, this kind of looks like we're just gonna be chip choppy, which means I will not be able to get a trade in today. Let's see, I'm being a negative Nancy. Maybe it'll be fine. It was okay, lost though. Chris, how long did you trade for? Melvin? Where have you been? What up? How's it going, Franks? Okay. Hey, Dr. H. Yes. How's it going? I'm doing good. You know what? I can't complain. How are you doing? Thank you. Make one? Yeah. Oh, no, never mind. Did say thank you and then you ruined it. Anyways. This ain't Fortnite. No, Kevin, this is not Fortnite. This is definitely not Fortnite. So this is trading. I need to mark out levels on ES quickly. Let me quickly catch up on everything. Quick. Better. Yay. Okay, highlight. I'm glad. We all happy now? This looks... I'm glad. It feels better, highlight. This feels more natural. Yeah, this feels more natural to me. Funny, it's hard to focus on charts with my stream on. Well, I mean, to be fair, well, unless you have a good ranged strategy. If you don't, this is not the best conditions. Yeah. Hey, wait a second. Here we go. Here we go. Do we finally have something? So taken there. Is it going to close properly above? It kind of looks like it might. Let's see. I'm getting overexcited. Let's wait and see what happens. Chris, buy low, sell high. Hell yeah. That's the way to do it. Dr. H, what up? Kenneth Bino, Anastasia at ATS. Teach you how to use footprint. Okay. Thanks, Bunny. That's very sweet of you. Oh! Yeah, sorry, John. I don't know. I think either YouTube had an update or my multi-chat had an update. Sorry. I'm sorry. The same happened with Bob. So now Bob is not Bob. Bob is FaceEX. It's very annoying. I don't like it. I don't know why I did it. I wonder if I can change it. Nope. Only true trader. What's up? How's it going? How's it going? Yeah, this is cool. Never seen a woman in this space. Hi, there's a first time for everything, I guess. I'm not here claiming that I'm anything amazing though. Please don't think you're gonna come on here and see like millions being made. No, definitely not there yet. Let's check out this NWOG. Cool. Also absolutely massive. The NWOGs on both ES and NQ are ridiculous. Oh, it's just sitting on it. On ES, sorry, no, I'm drawing this like an absolute idiot. There we go. It's better. So I'm just giving myself a brief idea on ES. Taken. Okay, and we are at all-time highs, so this is going to be a very interesting week. I know a lot of people absolutely hate trading all-time highs. I want to say I'm neutral about it. I don't think I've traded it long enough to have much of an opinion about all-time highs. It's scary. I will say that. All-time highs are scary. That's better. Kyle? Sorry if I butchered that. I've only been trading since April, so I'm still fairly new. I'm still figuring things out. So ticket did close nicely above. Are we going to have a retracement back down? What time is it? 19. It's not officially opening yet. Let's see. Come. Why? Here we go. Ah, only true trader. I'm feeling so much better. I feel like I can breathe this week. So I'm hoping that this week is going to be amazing. I'm excited. I think it's going to be great. So well, I hope. Let me maybe not jinx myself, but I'm hoping that it's going to be a goodie. Nakabamba, how's it going? How was the trading on Friday for you? Did you get any wins? Me? I see it just looked like it chopped the rest of the evening. Fried fly pie. Do I dream in graphs? Sometimes, yes. I'm not even gonna lie. Sometimes they just appear and I'm like, oh, I should maybe do that. Anyways. Pepito, do I keep a journal? Yeah. Kyle, what sites am I multi-streaming on? A few? Which one are you on, Kyle? But I guess the main one you could say is YT, or the red... What? Platform, there we go. I lost English. Okay. Thank you, Caddy Rob. I think it's because I can actually breathe again. I was under a lot of stress last week, and this week I'm feeling good. Careful, I might start breaking out into song. And I'm feeling... Nope, I'm joking. I'm not gonna do that. You guys don't need to hear that. You guys don't need your ears to bleed. Okay. All-time highs. With all-time highs, we just assume that it's gonna keep going up, up, and away. Shoot, that would have been a goodie. Check right there. Or it actually would have looked like that. So that would have been a win already. But... no, actually, that was quite a goodie. Damn. It's fine. Oh, thanks, David. Yes, I appreciate that. Yeah, remember chat, Maya isn't a teacher. Yes. Oh, damn. Okay, and David went and clapped back. Okay, moving on. Some guy, happy Monday. How was your weekend? Ariana, no, it will not. Don't follow your emotions. What, you don't think it's going to keep climbing? Some guy, it was just... yeah, I guess you could say it was a good weekend. I think I just got to breathe for a change, which is weird. Which is weird for me. Kiko? How you doing? How's it going? Ooh, okay. Which day are the red folders only true trade? I haven't checked on the website yet. Hey, oh, thank you, Thomas. Thank you. I was like, BPK. Yeah, so I don't know. I think there was an update. I have no idea. Sorry, but now I know that that's you, Thomas. Thanks. I did. Boom. What do you think? It's a lot better, right? I prefer this. I prefer this angle a lot more. Kyle, I would not recommend that. Just saying. Not recommended, but anyways. Hey! How's it going? I want to... It's Christian, but I know it's something else. Damn it. The names, I'm gonna have to get used to the names again. So, now that everything's changed, it's very frustrating that it's changed. And just like that. Honestly. Phoenix, what up? Super chill weekend, lots of dog walks, met up with some friends. Weather wasn't bad. Damn, some guys, you had an amazing weekend. Okay. Five and 10 year bill. David Harris, no, I have not. Sorry. Thomas, your weekend is finishing off with a bang. I just got back from a kickback and I'm pretty out of it. Damn, Thomas, look at you go, you cool kid. Val, what up? Phoenix? Why what? Boom banana. Okay, Solly, if you're listening, Boom says hi. So I'm probably gonna crash soon, but I'll catch you in your session. Hopefully we can get some London liquidity trades in. Yeah. Tom, let's see. You like Tom, or is Thomas just better? Sorry, I called you Tom, and now I don't know if you even like being called Tom. Oh, some guy, you know what? I don't even know. Thank you, Christian. Thank you. I mean, Silver Bullet Trader, thank you. Which one do you prefer? So used to, yeah. Oh, I mean, Thomas. You're a Thomas kind of guy. Got it. I thought so. That's why it felt weird calling you Tom. Anyways. Okay. Maybe focus for a second. Boom, guys, what do you think today is going to be? Is it just going to keep climbing up and away? Are we going to be ranging a little bit? The two... I mean, this could be looking a lot worse. I mean, it kind of just looks like it's running away right now, doesn't it? Let me check the 15-minute quick sticks. Oh, hello. Yep, this is just saying cheers right now. Woo. Alrighty then. And the 1 hour. Okay. Well, I don't think we can deny the bullish the bullish trend right now. Here we go. Sorry guys, I was focusing for a second. I've leveled up, aged up into Thomas. Got it. Okay, does not matter. Got it. Val, overall trend is very much bullish today. I mean, I have been looking at the EMAs, Thomas. I have been looking at the EMAs. Which ones do you use again? Was it the 50 and the 20? Which EMAs did you use again? Hey, Addy, or ICT Addy, how's it going? Ethan, what up? How are you? Oh, yeah, it looks bullish, but I would look for retracement and look for buys only. So Val, this is potential entry, but in the same breath, I wonder if it's going to want to come back down and take out the Asia low. But that might happen in New York. I'm not entirely sure. No, maybe not. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Mark London session 15-minute orb and look for retracement. Okay, John. But open technically only happened now. So I'll mark it as soon as we hit 15 minutes. Gotta wait 15 minutes now. Thomas, go sleep. Okay. I will see you in your morning, but my afternoon. I'll see you this afternoon. Give me 2 seconds. Sorry guys, there's a package that's arrived. I'll be 2 seconds. Watch the chart for me. Okay, I'm back. The rip, what's up? Okay, I think Thomas has gone to bed, but he said 8, 20, and 50. Because he uses 3 EMAs. Okay. Baddie Slays, bye. Okay, bye. Anyway, above the 8 EMA is a strong bullish movement. 20 EMA is the holding bullish. Nakabamba, yeah, today is definitely keeping it for now. All-time highs are a little bit scary. I'm not gonna lie, all-time highs scare me a little bit, but let's see what happens. I'm actually holding bullish. I feel like saying that's actually on neutral London. Will open in an hour. Has it changed already? I thought it only changed next week, some guy. Yeah, wait, I'm confused now. I'm gonna Google this quickly. Hey, Mike G, what's up? How's it going? How's it going? Liquidate the banks. I'm going to take that money to the upside. Yeah, boom. Let's see. Let's see what comes of this. How big is this trade? Big wicks down. Oof. This is Volume upside, but it's not going anywhere. I think there's a lot of sellers trying to come into play. I could be wrong. Could be wrong, but let's see. Hey, Skeletor. That was... I've never heard that before. That was a goodie. That was a goodie. I'm impressed. Some guy, it's 7:34 a.m. for you now. Nice. It is 9:35. Okay, so you are 2 hours behind. Cool. Well, bullish market, yes. And Marcus, wifey, is that you? I mean, I don't have a ring, so no. For anyone wondering, my ring size is a 16.3 imported warm blood. Thank you very much. Hey Tony, what's up? Luan, hi from Brazil. Can I look at ASST? What's that? I could go have a look. I'm just waiting to see if there's anything decent that comes up today. Okay, wait. I wanted to Google. Let me quickly Google. Open time South Africa. Oh, it has changed. Okay. Oh, damn. Okay. Then I lied. This is not London session yet. London starts at 10. Got it. Well, 10 a.m. my time. So some guy, thank you. You were spot on the money there. Have to draw a zone at the bottom of that big move. Marcus, I look like your ex? Oh, thanks for the sub, Mike. I appreciate it. Now that I'm back, guys, like I said, the last 2 weeks, 3 weeks? 2 weeks. The last 2 weeks were pretty chaotic for me. I wasn't able to do much, unfortunately. All I could do was trade. But now we can start to take things seriously again. I'm excited. But speaking of 5K challenge, I did make a promise. I need to get the video done and sorted. Do any of you guys remember what the 5K challenge is for me? They may as we headed there slowly, but I keep my promises. So, who remembers what the 5K challenge is? Close zone at the bottom of that big move. Yeah. So I was looking at this. Val, what do you think? I think it might dip lower. I mean, there's some relative equal lows around here. There's a lot of liquidity sitting underneath. And of course, Asia low and freaking NWOG over here. But I don't know if that's maybe going to happen tomorrow. That could be a tomorrow thing. It could be a New York session thing. I'm also feeling maybe I shouldn't be trying to trade pre-market. I really thought that the daylight savings kicked in from next week, not this week. Oh well. Isaiah Evans, hi, love your hair. Thank you, I appreciate that. Anyways, nice blouse. Thank you, I appreciate that. Thumper, up, up, and up. And just like that. Where are all my mods today? Damn. Found the wrong one. Can't do anything. Damn it. Hey Desire, how's it going? So not a currency, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. I'm having a look here. This I need gosh, I don't even know. I feel like I need a little bit more confirmation. I tried, it's on the wrong chat, I wasn't able to. That's why I'm asking where my mods are at. Come on, mods. Yeah, only two trade. What? Yeah, only two traders. So for me, like I said, I thought it actually started at past, but I see now it actually starts at 10. We got a little bit of time to go, and that's fine. I hopped on an hour early. I'm gonna have to adjust to my times. I might start streaming a tad bit later then. Yeah, restless. Off the charts. Sorry. That was very lame, but come on. Anyways, moving on. Skeletal, that took me a minute. I had to read that twice because I was like, what are you going on about? But that was good. That was good. That was pretty good. And then go back up. Some guy, right? Kiko, you know what? Like I said, the last 2 weeks have been a little bit chaotic. I'm gonna sneeze. Nope, we're good. Okay. Last 2 weeks have been a little bit chaotic, but now I'm feeling better. I think we're good. We're good to go. We're good to carry on. It's gonna be amazing. I'm excited. How have you been, Kiko? How has the trading been? See, now I don't know if I should be trading pre-London. Maybe I just need to sit on my hands and wait. I feel like maybe that's a good idea. What do you guys think? Should I possibly sit on my hands and wait? And maybe try and take this trade. It's a new week, right? We can... I don't want to say make mistakes, but we're always going to make mistakes. It is a part of trading. Diesel, risk it all. Okay. No. Ooh. Kiko, amazing. I was green on Friday. Like I said, mentally, I shouldn't have traded on the Thursday. I think I lost like $200 on the Thursday, and then I was green $300 on Friday. So not terrible. I now just have to work on consistency, taking the trades and putting the correct amount of contracts in, because that'll actually start to see me in the profits. I was not putting the correct amount of contracts in, and that was actually screwing me. But I'm not loving this volume down. I mean, I had a few... See what this looks like on the 5 minute. Problem is, I really don't hate this on the 5 minute, but do I trust it? The RIP key things you have to look at. Ramen, I'm 5'3". Am I taller than you? Sorry, in South Africa we use centimeters, so I have no idea. I'm 164 centimeters. Lifecraft, the less you trade, the more money you make. Yes, because if you only trade your A+ setups and you wait for the correct entries, shoot, like this kind of looks like it actually was. No, maybe not. I feel like I just need to sit on my hands until proper London open. Well, I would wait. Yeah, I'm waiting until London open at least. Right? I think that's the smart, correct idea. Don't let FOMO take control, right? Always. Don't let FOMO take control. Boom, you got a pimple. How is that possible? You have like perfect skin. 1. Why take the trade? 2. How does it form historically? 3. Does it have a positive effective value? You need to take it, or is money taking it over time? 4. You consider it. Okay, RIP. So, why take the trade? Because of the confluences? Are you asking, or are you just saying that this should kind of almost be a checklist, right? Orange Sunrise, can you invest in me for life? That was good. I haven't heard that before. That was a goodie. I'm impressed. Diesel, trust and go all in. No. Oh, Ramen, 5'3" is 159 cent. Then yes, I'm taller than you. I am 164 centimeters tall. Hey, travel to the universe. Welcome. It's a little bit chaotic here, but we have a good time. Let's see what happens. Like I said, I did actually like this on the 5-minute, but I'm waiting for London open now. I'm trying to be smarter with my trades, trying being the key word here. Oh, thanks, some guy. Yeah, guys, if you're enjoying, I guess, the chit chat for right now while we're waiting for a decent setup, please don't forget to like the stream. Thank you. Skeletor? You're amazing. Anyways. No, break that pimple. Break it. It's a good therapy for me. That's it. Isn't a green candle yet, Mikey? No. Oh, got it, Rip. Got it. Am I sure I'll be making money trading my... When you're saying edge, are you trying to hint at my strategy out of curiosity? Is that what you're kind of trying to say? Yes? No? Maybe? Oh my goodness, that would have sucked. That would have missed me by a freaking tick. Anyways, moving on. Travel to the universe. What's that on your screen? You mean the chart? Yeah, is that what you're asking? So this is MNQ? Trading? Yes. Orange sunrise, that's a goodie. Anyways, some sincere gambling. This full fat ice cream? What? Why? Hey, Sunny from India, how you doing? I too sell now and surprised to find crypto and Nasdaq are running the same pace. Oh, that Nakabamba, that's quite interesting. Roman, can you pick me up? I'm 55 kilograms. Probably. Any news popping off this week I should be aware of? Kiko, good question. I've heard there's some red folder news happening. I don't know which days though. So anyone, any thoughts on, oh, not thoughts. Anyone knows what's happening with the news? Also, what's happening with the government? Is it back on? I guess that's a weird thing to ask, but you know what I mean. The rip. Okay. Okay. So, out of curiosity, why? It sounds like you don't think it's a great one. Why not? Sorry, it sounds judgy. I'm genuinely curious about your thoughts on it. Terrence, am I South African? Hell yeah. What's the strategy? So I have my own little strategy, if you will. It works better with some more momentum, higher volume days, rather. Modesto, California. Ooh. Mike, that's cool. City with best quality. Travel to the universe. What's the best time to sell gold? Sorry, I don't know. Anyone with gold? Anyone have any ideas with regards to that? John, a city with best air quality. Are you asking like with regards to South Africa, or in the world, or? Fibonacci 618 retracement, potentially buy to the upside. I'm waiting for open. Let's wait for open. We have a few more minutes. Let's see if London open brings anything. I'm not sure if it will. Where did I have it? I had it here. So let's see. What time is it where I am? So it is currently 9:53 in the morning here. Like I said, South Africa has the best time to trade. In the morning, it's awesome, and then New York sessions in the afternoon. It's fantastic. Terrence, you're in Australia, heaps of South Africans here. Can spot the accent mile. Nice, Terrence. There's a few Aussies here. I don't know where Solly went. Yeah. Anyways. Chloe Lord? Hi, how's it going? Not when you trade. I'm about to trade. Okay, Terrence. Nice. How long have you been trading for, Terrence? So this is what my trade would have looked like. Let's see if it would have won. Hey George, how's it going? Boom? I feel like I missed something. Data that makes me trust it. Did it make money over a historical period of time at least? Does it have positive EV? No, I get it. Yeah, Rip. I understand what you're asking. It really, really can. The only reason it hasn't been is because I've been really bad. So, I mean, theoretically, every strategy is a winning strategy if used correct or executed correctly, right? Orange volume of your hardest pulls and overflowing with massive profit. Nice. Oh, that's terrible. Rashad, how's it going? No, the rip, I really appreciate it because it's true. You have to really think about it with regards to every strategy. Does it work for you as a person? And I kind of want to say your personality, because I mean, even market buy-ins could be a great strategy if you know when and how and all of those fun things of how to execute it. This almost gives me a little bit more guidance, and sometimes I need that, or else I don't want to say panic because that's a bad word to use. So let's rather go with I then let emotions take control. This is almost an easier way for me to turn off my emotions when it comes to trading. Hey Luvitz, how's it going? How's it going? Oh, if you're in the improvement, okay, go. I think there's a video on how it's made too. High quality content too. I feel like I'm missing some, I feel like I've missed some messages. If I have, I apologize. I'm sorry. My bad. Oh, nice, Terrence. Okay. Amazing. And how's it going for you? Profitable? Meh. Where can 2 trillion come from? The big players? I don't know. Hey, super trader, how's it going? Rashad, have a good day, thank you. Money calls, so you can catch a good trend in the morning and afternoon. Yep, that's exactly. So trading South Africa times quite lovely, if I do say so myself. Rashad, yes, my name is Maya. Super trader, you want to see Perry and Finn live? SBS Birds, I'm so sorry. What did you say? Send it again. I apologize that I missed your chat. Thanks for the new sub, Jared. I mean, it is possible, I guess, on Discord. Super trader. Mike G, what type of gains am I looking for? 10, 20%? I mean, 20% would be nice, but just anything right now to start with would be great. Is it time? Nope, 2 minutes to go. Some guy, XRP will never hit 17%, let's be real. Mike G, are you asking what kind of trade am I doing? I'm doing the, like, I'm on Nasdaq futures? Is that what you're asking? Taking a short in gold at this TP hit phase. Can I clear? Okay, trade with Akash, let's see. Show them guns. Oh, thank you, SBS Birds. It's okay, you want to join the stream daily, so I want to know your timing. And do I stream daily? Yes, I stream every day, and I'm here for both London and New York Open. Yes. So yeah, I stream twice a day for the London session and the New York session. So yeah, SBS Birds, that would be amazing if you come and join. Please, you are more than welcome to. Mike G, we should have the morning breakout. V12 is never inside the flesh of a plant. What it is for guidance, my point is be careful where it guides you, because you need to know them before. The rip. No, yeah. Sorry, that was very South African. No, yeah, no. Sorry, we say that often. Guided for guidance. My point is be careful where it guides you. You need to investigate. The rip, it's valid. It's valid. Look at you making some cognitive dissonance over here. Very annoying. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. Like I said, I really appreciate all the advice and all the help. So I'm gonna have to go and have a look and check everything out. So I'm not gonna lie, I didn't do anything with regards to screens this weekend. I needed a breather from the screens. Personally, sometimes it helps to just take a breath. So I wasn't able to do much with regards to backtesting and things like that. So I'm gonna maybe have a look. I don't want to make promises and say I'm gonna be able to do it today, but throughout the week I'll be able to. Ranging around that area, look for buys when it opens up London session. I mean, well, London is now officially opened. Let's see what it does. Let's see if this would have been a win, just purely out of curiosity. I think it might come tap into VWAP, maybe take these relative equal lows, and then potentially pop back up. I could be very wrong though. Let's see what this brings. Ah, thanks, Pete. Half the current market cap. All the money in crypto moving to some people for it to hit 17. Probability is insanely low. Okay, some go. Good Farhana. Yeah, sorry if I said that wrong. I'm in South Africa. 3D printing. Talk. SPS birds, of course. Like I said, I try to answer. If I do not respond and you guys want me to answer, please just send it again. There's sometimes a lot of messages. I'm putting it out there. If it is rangy today, I'm not going to take a trade, right? We need A+ setups so that we have higher probability of winning. So if it's just a yucky market today, or this morning at least, I shall not be taking a trade because it's just not worth it. There's a dude who's also doing this trading stuff and his nickname is Daddy Trader. I guess this is a mommy trader? No. No. Flip. Oh, boom, you popped it. I feel like that was a bit... I want to say it was a bad idea, but yeah, I get it. What would... I have no idea. Oh, Ace Ventura, you're so sweet. Thank you. Sorry, I'm trying to just be hands off now. Okay, so open. So this would have been a loss. But this is why we do not trade until open, right? Yes. Okay, let's see if it's going to reject off of VWAP. Maybe take these relative equal lows. Well, looks like it's heading to that zone you were talking about earlier. Yeah. Roddy Barney, hi. How's it going? Do it for yourself, not for me. I'm just a lighthouse showing you the light within. Damn, that was yeah, Rip, that was very deep. Damn. Okay. But no, 100%, it's all of it is for myself in the end, right? The whole reason I started trading was for myself to I guess if you will establish some more boundaries with regards to, I want to say my life, this is getting like deep and personal now, but you know, the whole reason I started trading was to take control of my life again, have that freedom again. And to get freedom, unfortunately, you have to work bloody hard. And that's what we gotta do, right, Rip? Gotta work bloody hard, emotionally, physically, mentally, all of it. Roddy, I ask, how am I? I'm good, thanks. How are you doing? Long trade, short trade, or buying the gap down? What's the catalyst? Mike G, are you asking, or are you just putting it out there? Namface 2023. Hi. See, the market's very slow this morning. It's not ideal, but I mean, technically London's only open now. I really thought it opened at... Sorry, I'm going to use South Africa time. I thought it opened at 9:30, but it has opened at 10. And so it opened 6 minutes ago, to be precise. So I might have to change my times itty bitty little bit now that daylight savings has kicked in. I thought it was only kicking in next week, but that's fine. If it's rangy, you can look for swing fail pattern trade off the range high low. Some guy, I think I need to forward test that a little bit. I agree with you. I think those really do work. However, again, I'm not 100% sure how to get into those trades, if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense. Apart from marketing, and marketing in makes me very nervous. I don't know why. I know some people just market in and that's their thing. Good for you. You guys are a lot stronger than I am. Then I'm confused. Boom Banana, I'm super confused. Yeah, because boom, I thought that market opened at 9:30 a.m. my time, so like half an hour ago. And then I even went and Googled now, and nope, apparently it opened at 10. So like, what, 8 minutes ago? Or has it always been opening at 10 and I've just been trading the wrong times? No, I've even Googled before. Anyways. SBS Birds, do I trade in BTC? No, sorry, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. But boom, that's what I thought. I thought that everything happened the 2nd of November. So that's why I was a little bit confused. But anyways. Oh, I've missed a bit here. Some guy. Mike G, you're asking. Sorry, I don't even want to try and predict where things are going to happen. I thought maybe it could potentially tap off here if it's going to continue bullish. If it's looking at a reversal, it could be headed for the Asia low, potentially tapping into NWOG before it retraces back up. I'm not sure. Let's wait for confirmation to see if this is going to be a proper shift down, if this is just a little bit of a swing down first. So yeah, Mike, I'm waiting to see. I don't like to predict things because, well, one, I tend to be wrong. So if I do try to predict things, do the opposite of what I say. Anyways. And then sometimes it gets in my head and then I get stuck on a bias. Which is not a bad thing. It's not bad to have your bias for the day. But you have to be open-minded. The fact that it could change, right? Hey, Pete, thanks. You're welcome. Ooh, I've missed a lot. The rip. Wait. The rip, and that's... Boy... Scatter, hi. Oh, okay, I've missed a lot of messages. I apologize. If you're enjoying it, or work for it, but if it's a different mentality. November 2nd is the time change. So then, have I just been trading the wrong time this whole time? Potentially, maybe I have. No, Manny Traveler, do I know India? Yes, I know India. I've never been there though, if that's what you are asking. Mardia, how are you? How have you been? Manny, you're a trader, a forex trader. Welcome, how are you doing? Joseph Decker, what is this? This is trading. But I am a beginner and I'm still figuring things out. So, yes. Well, by the gap. What, the NWOG gap? Only to trade? Apparently not. I'm a little bit confused with regards to time right now. Either way, it looks like we are just kind of ranging. So I need at least a little bit more confirmation about which direction we're going to be headed before I hop into anything. Hold my dodge. Hi, how's it going? It's not about prediction, it's all about risk and reaction, just like market does. Sun, that's valid. That is valid. A lot of people try to predict though. Uh-huh. There we go. Marvelous, yes, I am a beginner. Come to India, you'll show me some beaches. I have the coolest beach here. Tried to kill me this weekend, but still, coolest beach. Joseph, you're in Ohio. Oh, cool. How is it there? Only true trader. So I googled now. I think we can say for 110% certainty that from the 2nd of November, daylight savings has started. As of right now, I guess let's just trade what's in front of us. But I guess that screws up New York time. Hey, Marcia! That is amazing. How's it going? On the first Sunday of November. Okay, so yeah, only should trade it, then that's next weekend. Cool. Pivots, we need crypto to crash hard. Why? Hold my dot. Hey! Well, let's see. Hold my dodge. I'm assuming you're South African. Right? I mean, theoretically, let's see if this would have been a win. Would have popped me in. I think this actually might be headed up. It's a very big wick. Let's wait and see. I just needed to stop being so rangy. Unfortunately, range does not work for my strategy, which is why then I end up sitting here and waiting for a good one, which is the right way to do it, right? Like they say, day trader, not everyday trader. I just need to remind myself of that. It's day trader, not everyday trader. I don't have to trade every day. Yeah, Only true trader, literally. That's what I'm like, okay. Predictions equals loss reaction with confirmation equals profit. There we go, some guy. That's exactly it. You can't assume to predict what's going to happen with these markets. Really? It's the best beaches in the world. What makes them the best? Is that a weird question to ask? Like, what makes a beach better than the next? If I want to win, I'll do like market, do enemy. My enemy is my friend. Danny, hi from Syria. Hi from South Africa. How's it going? In the time zone though, you remember it is spring forward and fall back, yeah. The whole market March 2026. Only true trader, that's kind of what I'm understanding. Yeah. That's kind of what I'm understanding. Oh, cool. Why there? Did you move there? What? Yeah. Val, you think this is going up, up, up? Cool. Let's see, it's just being really slow today, damn. Hasn't taken anything there, took out that. It's just popped all the way down. Is it now going back up? Joseph, so I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. BTC 4 hours is bearish, so more downside is probable. Currently hunting for lower high to short to shoot for a new lower high. Okay, so that's on BTC. Yeah, 999 between S&P and NQ. Thank you. Thank you, Big B. Yeah? Same thing on Asia. ES took out the low and NQ didn't. Up. Yeah. I need some confirmation for some things. Give me 2 seconds. I'll be right back. My dog's asking me to let him out. I got distracted. Give me a second. I wanted to see this. Oh, would this have taken? Nope. I would still be in this. Just that would have been terrifying. I was muted, but I'm back. I'm back now. Jack of Blades, what up? How's it going? Some guy, I've traveled a lot, and the Philippines have the nicest beaches you've ever seen. Really? I'm so jealous. I want to be able to travel more. Would be amazing. Oh, I've missed a bunch of messages. I apologize. If I miss something, please resend. Pretty please. I apologize. The Throne. Hi. Joseph, can I look it up real fast? Trading in Monday London session is a suicide. Harsham, why do you think that? Look up the market. Every year the market crashed in March. Seriously, Libets, is that a thing? Boom Banana? No, nothing. Nothing yet. Boom, have you taken anything? The rip, you went long. Nice. I don't know, it's a city group income and something. Rip, you're testing the water. Okay. Mateus, what am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Let me check the 15-minute quickly. Need to make a little dash right there. It's on the 15-minute. Cool. Hey Michael, what's up? Please say container. Swim fast as you can. What up? Anyways. Bye bodyguard. Not like the low volume might scratch my lung. Yeah, big, that's the thing. This volume's not great right now. Yeah, it's just not ideal. What does it look like on the 1 hour? Sure, that's a big wick on the 1 hour. Cool, cool. I think it's going to eventually start coming back down, but when? I don't know. Oh, I can smell the sugar factory today. Okay. Swim fast. Container. Why container? Anyways. Joseph, it says I'm your C Group Incorporated. Thanks, Joseph. It's a new week. I want market to do its thing to know the bias for the rest of the week, so I don't want to enter now. Maybe wait for New York. Harshram, yeah, that's why I said it's just ranging right now, so it's not going to work for my strategy. So sorry guys, I know this is quite Adele and I'm not getting any trades in right now, but at least I'm being better with regards to not jumping in on a trade or getting FOMO or thinking I have to trade every day. Like I said, it's the one thing I've really been trying hard to work on. It's not so easy. FOMO normally gets me. I'm not even gonna lie. Word Up Wisdom. Hi. My live trading. I am live trading. I just don't have a good setup for me right now. So I sits and I waits. Okay, for market day, don't work any higher. but I don't know how long it takes to get there. Oh, Zach? Zach, okay. You are short at 800. Damn, okay, that's... Zach, where your TP at? That was a goodie. That was a flipping good entry, Zach. Wow. Wait, basically went short off the first 1 minute fair value gap. Yep. Got it. Getting some. Please don't go over 10%. The bank demands more from you. Word of wisdom. Yep. And that's the thing, right? Patience is a virtue. It's a pain in the butt, but it's a virtue. Says the best time to start is 11 a.m. My time is reset. Joseph, where do you stay though? 11 a.m. for where? Where you at? Word of wisdom, that is key. Buy a house. Swim as fast as you can. Yeah. No, I have a very mild accent. There's some hectic South African accents out here. I would almost say I have a basic South African accent, not a hectic one. Here we go. Cool. Took out the relative equal lows. Oh damn, and all this liquidity sitting underneath here. Whoa, okay, that was a proper liquidity sweep right there. Holy moly. Oh, and it tapped in. No, not really. It just missed around there. Only S. Sugar honey iced tea. I missed this. So I had 1, 2, 3. I probably wouldn't have taken it because it just took out a bunch of liquidity. I was gonna say this is not a bad trade. However, because it just swept a bunch of pretty hectic liquidity, I probably would not have gotten into the short. Opportunity is endless, capital is not. Ooh, some guy, I like that. I'm gonna put that on the chart. Feel like I need to make this bigger. Noise. Zach unfilled 1 minute for value gap. Yep. Skeletor. That was good. That was good. Swim as fast as you can. Sounds like I've lived in Aussie or England for a while. Huh, really? Interesting. No, never. Never lived anywhere else. I scroll by live when I'm doom scrolling and it makes me want to trade. I go gym now. Trade till New York market open. Okay, cool, Mad Demon. Enjoy. I will see you then later. Yeah, let's do this. Let's do this. Just a higher middle of US. Nice. For trading, that's kind of weird. No, just I think it only. Yeah. There we go. Right there, some guy. Oh, okay. Enjoy gym, by the way. See you later, alligator. This was a good setup. Was it? It was an okay setup. Like I said, I'm not upset that I didn't take it because it did just take out a bunch of liquidity. Looks like it's headed for a win though, but there's a good reason for not taking the trade. The government printing prices, people do not freeze. Hey Ricardo, how's it going? That's very sweet of you. Ah man, okay. Let me make a note of this one. Change this back to 14. You win. But liquidity. So sorry, I kind of journal live at the same time, so this would have been a winning trade, but like I said here, it did just go on a freaking liquidity hunt. So the chances of it retracing higher was high, so it was not worth the risk at the end of the day. I could note here that it didn't take all the liquidity on ES, so I maybe should have thought that it was going to go a little bit further down to find the liquidity on ES. There we go. Sorry. 763 is your target. Oh, nice, nice. Okay. So this liquidity hunt here. Okay, cool, 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 cool. I like it. I like it. It's kind of like an Aussie accent or maybe British, but the US teaching system isn't very good, so they don't teach us what other countries sound like. Damn, Joseph. I mean, to be fair, I've heard that, woo, okay, so this could have happened earlier. So it took out the liquidity there. Ironically, this is still a valid entry now. Second range. Let's see. Some guy, I think that was the point. I think that's why he specifically did it. Just saying. Son, you think it's going down? Have opportunities. But we're following our rules to be disciplined and trade only A+ setups. That is to trade at the right time. Harisham, yep, that's exactly. And son, you think it's gonna go down now? Oh, thanks, Joseph. I really appreciate it. Yes, you take care too. I will hopefully see you again later, alligator. Midnight open is 763. Is it? Nope, I'm doing that like a chop. There we go, that's better. The rip should retrace now, yep. So I took out the liquidity on ES. Let me just pop this there for where the trade would have been up and down. Cool. That's a win for you. Oh, Kiko, whoop whoop, that's amazing. Well done. Well done. That's awesome. Taking a lot of liquidity, knocking out stops, lawsuits and all. Yeah, Val, 100%. Terrence, am I using EQ waiting for price to hit discount price? Terrence, yeah, basically. So that's what this is. Here's 50%, you know, anything below here discount, anything up here premium. So I tend to use flip. There we go. Market auction theory. Sorry. The brain was going to snap into place eventually. It just took a while. Okay, so taking liquidity, let's wait for the retracement, but how high up is it going to retrace? And then I could potentially be looking for some shorts. Up, I drew this like a chop. There we go. That's how it would look. So wouldn't have taken there. Lubitz, later alligator. Why? Son, market is your friend? Yes. What about left behind? Will short and come home retested. Ooh! Thanks, some guy. I'm gonna go check out the Discord now then and see the idea. You've been waiting for this trade for 3 weeks? I flipping hope it works out then, like 100%. Reverse fair value got on 5-minute low. 25785. Mm-hmm. 25791. Oh, cool. So, yeah, we're just tapped into. Is it going to respect it again? I mean, it rejected properly off of it here. I see. Did you enter off the middle blue candle? And I just went back while I'm waiting. So, Terrence, I haven't taken a trade yet. So I even noted here, I wanted to. I didn't take it because it took out a bunch of liquidity, so I was expecting it to potentially retrace like it's doing now. But I did make a note here that it didn't take all the liquidity on ES. If I'd shorted it waiting for it to take the liquidity on ES, then I probably would have hopped in on this. But that's fine, right? You live and you learn, you make notes, learn from the trades that you don't take, learn from the trades that are losses, and celebrate the trades that are wins. I mean, you also learn from the trades that are wins, but you know what I mean. Hey, Knight, how's it going? More than 3 weeks, to be honest. They front trend. So in like 3 weeks ago, left them equal highs just below it. Ooh, no, some guy. Oh my gosh. Try Trade Tracker V, an interactive on-chart journal that makes past trades and progress super clear for viewers in real time. I've never heard that. The 33rd, thank you. I normally look for it to either find support or resistance at a valid break now, then continue. And support or resistance at a valid break, yeah, and thanks, Gabon. Huh. Yeah, thank you. I appreciate that. That does actually really help. Yeah, it's done nothing yet. Knight is in the short right now on both ES and it. Ooh. Nice, Knight. Where was your entry at? I was considering maybe taking this again, but I wasn't feeling it after the flipping liquidity sweep that it took. Let's see what it brings now. Night. Okay, your entry for short is where this is placed. Got it. Turns out for Europe the market time changed. Oh. Boom, then I'm super confused right now. I'm super confused. I don't know what is when and where or how. Val, be careful because this market's still in an upward trend. Gamer, you think trade in Tesla? Is Tesla doing well? I didn't think Tesla was doing that well. Anyways. Shorted there. At break even. Oh, okay, the rip. Awesome, awesome. Chasing Infinity. Hi, how you doing? Turns out we have the market, but for the US it doesn't change till Sunday. That's just confusing as hell, Boom. Then when are the what times for the who and the how and the why? Like, what? Okay. That's super confusing. So basically this is just a very confusing week until next week. And that's fine. Yes, just trade what's in front of you. Chris, Stackport 262, you think? Gamer, your father thinks trading is just like gambling. I mean, for some people, it is gambling. If they're not using, you know, the correct ways. Am I making sense? I feel like I'm talking a little bit of rubbish, but anyways. Nox, good morning. How's it going? How's it going? What are the chances of you losing on this trade? Nox, let me check something out. I mean, we've had a chock here. Going down. Knight, where's your TP at? Oh. I mean, the 1 hour just does not look great, does it? 1 hour looks shocking. Heyo. Cool, so that would have been a loss if I had placed that one there. So that's what I was kind of expecting after I took out these lows. That's why I did not take this trade. Like I said, and I did make a note here, it did not take the liquidity on ES though. It took it before this move up. Manuel, what up? Boom, I don't know, ask the market people. Thanks. You know, I'll do that. I'll call up my contacts there, you know, on Wall Street or whatever and figure it out. Anyways. Flip. Did I backtest the 3 star? The trend touches into breaking. No, I did not. Sorry. Lifestyle moments. I even said this weekend I did not hop on the charts at all. I took a minute to just breathe, get away from it for a second, because the past 2 weeks have been absolute chaos. So I needed just a weekend away from everything just to reset my brain a little bit. So sorry, there was no backtesting or anything that was done this weekend. My brain needed to shut off for a minute. So sorry. was up 400 on this trade, now at break even. Night? Did you get tapped out at break even? Some guy, if you don't manage risk and don't have a successful strategy that you stick to, then it's gambling. Yep, that's exactly. If you have high probability win rate strategy and manage your risk and are patient, then you're trading, not gambling. Aha. That's what I was trying to get at. You just worded it a whole lot better. Back on the horse, I'm trying some paper trading today. Ooh, okay, Nox. Amazing. Amazing. That's so exciting. It's been a minute. How can I start it as a beginner? I mean, I want to earn 15. Gamer, I mean, you're 50. So I guess you would just have to start with paper trading, figure out the markets. It's a lot to learn, but I don't think you're actually allowed to trade until you... How old do you have to be? 18? My opinion is using to learn how to technical analysis, practice using paper trading account, once you profitable fund proper valuation, and then you can get paid. I'm thinking to long pullback. Ooh, high life? I think so. I think so. No, NQ position is negative now while ES position is still green. I thought you went break even. Night. If it's hard, it will likely take you a long time to be profitable. Yep. If it's... No, Zach, no. I'm so sorry. Zach, have you ever thought about like potentially... I'm just asking. Like maybe a trailing stop loss? Or have you never really done that? Just out of curiosity. Oh, Justin, really? Where did you sign up for? Tried one more short there, aggressive stop for today, and is the last attempt for London. Okay, nice. Yeah, this is a bit too I want to say rangy and chaotic for me today. Sorry. I'm at least becoming more aware of what works for my strategy and what doesn't. I knew that this would not work. I mean, maybe one or two things here and there may have been a win, but the losses would have exceeded the wins. So it would have been dumb for me to trade. This one, like I said, I had a valid reason for not taking this one. I thought I was going to do this just a little bit earlier. Now, I just need a little bit... Let's wait for some confirmation. Are we going to continue up? Was this just a fake out to stop out all the sellers? Need a little bit of confirmation before I think about taking a trade long or short. This one would be better. Can I help you? What's the matter? Oh, you guys can see Perry. Hey, Chloe Lord, how's it going? Kiko, the link I gave shows when the news. Thank you, Kiko. Last weeks have been nuts with the market down 24k, but overall I'm up in the long run. Nice, Terrence. Well done. That is amazing. Do you have hiccups? Okay. No, he does. My dog has hiccups. Anyways. Val, concentrate on buys, not shorts. You really think it's gonna keep going up, Val? You really don't think it's maybe gonna go down? I'd cry. Yeah, no. Oh, nice, Justin. Nice. Okay. So what's the plan? Justin, I'm all here for your first trade. I'm so excited for you. I know how scary it is. I still remember my first ever trade. terrified. Absolutely terrified. But now I'm just like me. But you know, practice makes progress. I'll never say practice makes perfect. I don't think there's such thing as perfection. But practice at least makes progress. Great, documented journal and see how many times you're right and how many times you're wrong. The rip, thank you. Yeah, see, one step at a time. Knight, you still think this is gonna go down? I think this is, personally, I don't know why, but personally I feel this is 50-50. This could either be wanting to go down to potentially tap back into NWAG, maybe get the Asia lows, or it could be going back up to all-time highs. I don't know. I'm pretty neutral right now with regards to, is it going to stay bullish? Is it going to go bearish? What's it going to do? Knight, you're still holding this. Nice. Okay. ES is weak. Yes. Yeah, Doggo. Did you see him now? Yeah, now that my camera's back where I love it. Some guy, you didn't really see me with my camera like this. This is where my camera normally goes. This is how I prefer my camera to be. Now you can actually see my little dog. Big might drag NQ down with it. That's what I'm thinking. Like I said, I'm trying to stay neutral. Anyways, I'm trying to stay neutral. I'm trying to stay neutral. Son, it's not what other people say, it's about you learn from it and know it. Son, ride that trend to where those orders were developed at 50 on the fib. Make them right, but at the end, so okay, before we start, a nice drop. No ways, Knight. You think so? All the way up to 26. Okay. Manuel, you thought I had a headset? No, sorry. It's just a little headband. Chloe Lord, I did. Well, I don't know if I did. Potentially. Did I? Maybe it was one of the mods. Sorry. I have no control over who the mods ban and do not ban. Wow, the rip that was terrible, but I am very far from perfect, but I appreciate it. That was very, very sweet. That was very, very sweet. You made my day, thank you. Use to trade ICT order block stone. Use to trade ICT order block strat. Have you ever looked at Adam? Is the style of trading so good? I've had my most success with it. Adam? I have not looked at him. Microwave. Let me make a note. Where's my notepad? There we go. Like I said, if you guys could see my notepad, you guys would be a little bit terrified. There's so much going on here. And it is so chaotic. There's so much I need to go and research. Knoxville C at 11. Ooh, okay. Oh, did not retrace far enough back down. Let me look here. Wonder if it's hunting for this liquidity on ES. It's gonna pop off that order block. Let's see. No, I think it's hunting for the liquidity. It retraces one more time. Could maybe get into a long here. Zach, whoop whoop, that's amazing. Well done. Aw, IG, that's very sweet. Thank you. I wish you profit today as well, by the way. Open up gap long 1 point straight, possible hit 26k before the real drop all the way down. Yeah, Zach, that is amazing. Well done. That is so awesome. It has not taken it yet on ES. Is it respecting that order block? That's probably done for me in London. Oh, nice. Manual, a little bit. I'm trying to see. Trying to press on the program. Give it a try. It's so good in his level. Marcus Acrid started out in uni and he says studying quantum. The big company right there. Oh, damn, microwave. Okay. Hell yeah, big. That's the point, right? We're here to. How do I put this? We're here to uplift one another. Well, that's the hope, anyways. I want this to be a community where we are here for the wins and we are supportive for the losses. You know, it's an understanding community that's been there, done that. We're not here to judge. We're here to hold accountable sometimes. I know I need to be held accountable quite often because I do dumb things. Shoot, this is just popping off. $15 contracts. Earlier I said retracement favor bouncing between the break block and continuation block. Look at that. Lifestyle moments. Nice. Ninth, there's a chance we might not drop today at all. Manual. I might have missed it. What, missed the drop? Or missed the push-up? It's hitting a little bit of a resistance area on ES. Knight, are you still in the short? And then I just don't let FOMO catch me. Well, I try not to let FOMO catch me. Try being the keyword. I really try. Sometimes it wins. Like, this is not the best trade. No, this is not an A+ trade. It's not an A+ trade, don't take it. Sorry, do you see, I'm literally having to interlock my hands to not take this trade. Part of me really wants to, but it's not an A+ setup. Bearish idea does not seem ideal right now. No, I don't think. But that's exactly it, right? Might take that out. No. Oh, David, you're short in here. Stop at 8.26. Probably gets smoked, but I'll try it. Where's 8.26? Nope, I think we have different time things. Sorry. Dumps without coming back for retest. Give me an inch. I'm gonna. Some guy. Please just take a video of you losing it. Okay, just saying. That'll be very entertaining. Yeah, this low volume. Ah. Let's see. Didn't take what I wanted it to take. Yes. Like I said, not an A+. Oh, what the heck is going on here? Oh, it's a new hourly candle. Would you call this the new hourly opening candle? New hour closing candle? Because I mean, technically it closed here and opened now. Okay, so that would have been a tap in. Let's see if this would have been a mistake. Or not. Let's see what happens. Manual, honestly, like, okay, let's see if this would have been a win. If it is, part of me is going to be a little bit grumpy, but another part's going to be proud that I didn't take it. I know that sounds weird, but I do sometimes struggle with FOMO and having the idea that I have to trade every day or every session even, not even every day. Like sometimes I feel I have to place a trade in London and I have to place a trade in New York. I don't. It's what I'm working on. I really struggle with it. Wait. Diffuse one. When was the last time I checked my MySpace? I do not have a MySpace, so never. Anyways, night one tip. I'll give you your trend continuation trade. Higher chances of getting wicked out. Yeah, trade because new hourly candle likes to create new wick. Aha, cool. See, I was learning, so I'm glad. I didn't do it because yes, the new hourly, I've noticed new hourly candles tend to create some hectic things for funsies. Son, I'm scalper, fast entry, fast execution, not staying in the market if I earn. Son, do you market in, right? Some guy, there'll be no video I've never seen on camera. You hide. I mean, some guy, you don't have to show your face. You can just literally record your screen, just put like a microphone on, and we'll just hear you raging and breaking things in the background. That'll be amazing. You'll go viral. The Dread Pirate. Rob, hi, how's it going? It's going good. It's going good. How are you doing, the Dread Pirate, Rob? Dixon? What are you talking about? I've lost nothing today. Got it. Some guy noted. If I don't see you for a while, I understand. I get it. Manual, no, I was thinking potentially this. This is what my setup would have looked like. Let's see. No, Dixon, no, it's not. The Dread Pirate, Rob? That's valid, actually. You do. Especially with trading. Gotta lose some to learn your lessons. Manual might be stuck again. It kind of looks like it. Concentrate on buys, not the shorts. This is an upward trend. Timu candle. What? Anything else? It's like a bad habit. Equivalent to not going to. Or shall be fun. System sense is profitable. You must execute it when it presents itself, even if it's every day. If not, you risk of making it unprofitable long term. The rip, that makes sense. It does make sense. But like I said, with regards to this one, with regards to this trade here, two things. It was not an A+ setup. I only had one. I guess two confluences. Not even, sorry, I had one. No, I guess you could say two confluences. I had two confluences. I need at least 3 or 4 to make this an A+ setup. I'm trying really hard to only take the A+ setups. And secondly, well, I didn't realize it at the time, but the new hourly candle, like Knight said, it can wick out, and getting wicked out, I swear, is sometimes my speciality, and it's really frustrating. Damn, Knight, I'm sorry. Oh, the Dread Pirate? Nice, that sounds awesome. Definitely they're giving entry sign, but only if you know it. Okay. Some guy. That method is useless. Which method? A wick, which would reduce last and was able to lower last 200. Nice, Knight. Okay, well done. Okay, cool, Brandon. Thanks. I bet I don't. I trade London and New York session. I'm here for both. Oh, shoot. I actually need to go to the horses. I need to now have a look at changing times. I need to change my schedule around, seeming as times are about to be changing because of daylight savings. Pontus, yes and no. I have been preferring London recently. I'm gonna keep this up, but I am gonna place a note here. This trade was better. There we go. From news Friday afternoon, I can move back up. Okay, move double number. Restaurant board. What? Are you serious, Michael? Damn, okay. This thing is kind of down for me to close short position, but I'm gonna just hold off taking trades for now. Yeah, Knight, maybe wait for a little bit more volume. Something. Now it's just chopping again. They're playing with the stock smoke a little bit. The doobies. Hi, yes, I am from South Africa. Nothing has changed yet. You came on same time as always. I know, Solly, I know. But starting next week, I'm gonna have to look at changing things. Because next week, it does change. I think it moves an hour later for me. Trades. This is Enten short for the lowest risk amount with highest reward. Okay, Knight. Let's see. I'm gonna have to have a look when I come back. Charizard, are you? Is that sharks or crocodiles? No, sharks. Are you sure? I'll scalp instead of day trading. Okay. Yeah, Manuel. That's exactly. Oh no, David, I'm so sorry. Yeah, I mean, I would have looked at a long here, but like I said, I'm glad I didn't. This was not an A+ setup. Okay, let me then call it. I will be back for the New York session. Like I said, obviously a little bit of a bummer that I wasn't able to get a trade in, but in the same breath, so I'm giving myself a little bit of a pat on the back. Sorry. Purely just because of the fact that I didn't take silly trades. Like this one, I had a valid reason for not taking it. This one, same thing. Was not an A+ setup. I'm trying really hard to be more patient. You know, trade less with the better setups to have a higher win rate. I'm trying. I'm really trying the new mental be strong this week. Why am I calling it? Because I gotta go to the horses and I'll be back for the New York session. Manuel, yeah. I'm gonna be back for New York later. Like I said, next week I'll then obviously have to change times again, but let's leave it there for today. You guys were awesome. Thank you for keeping me company. Thank you for all your ideas. Rip, everyone. Thank you. Night. Let's see how this plays out. Research on orb strategy and tried. It works every time. Lifestyle moments, I have looked at the orb strategy. What's your win rate with it? Oh, hey, Phantom Pips. I'm just about to leave. I'm sorry. Yeah, the rip. I'll see you later. Sorry, everyone. Hopefully I'll see you later for the New York session. You guys were amazing. Please don't forget to like the stream if you at least enjoyed having some chit chat. Sorry. Anyways. Oh, you MG. Oh, sorry, MG. Sorry, I don't know. There was a weird thing. I don't know. Things updated and it's annoying. Again, you guys are amazing. Thank you for keeping me company. Thank you for teaching me things. And if you want to show support, if you are with any of, I want to say the above, but I guess any of the below in the description prop firms and you want to use my code, it would be greatly appreciated. Yeah. Manual, well, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Yes, and I didn't take trades for valid reasons. But anyways, let me go. I will be back for the New York session. Let's see if New York brings A+ setups. Fingers crossed. Maybe there'll be an A+ setup. If not, it's not the end of the world. Okay, I love you guys. Bye!